the ultimate guide to tactful communication with narcissists. Welcome to this insightful guide on how to communicate with tactful grace when traversing with the narcissist domain. If you have found yourself in the company of those lacking that most precious human quality, empathy, whose self-importance eclipses all else, then you have brushed against the realm of the narcissist. Fear not. This video shall equip you with strategies to navigate these turbulent waters while preserving your own inner sanctity. Tactic 1. The power of calm composure. When interacting with a narcissist, they'll often provoke you emotionally, casting provocations like bait upon still pond of your mind. It is their hunger for conflict, for your reactive outburst, that might state their relentless need for attention and validation. Can you not remain the unwavering mountain in this storm? Rooted in presence, you simply bear witness to their words without grasping or reacting. By this effortless calm composure, you deny them the satisfaction they seek. Like gentle rain upon the ocean, their barbs disperse into the vastness of your non-resistance. Imagine a scenario where your partner unleashes a torrent of criticism for a simple, forgotten errand. Breathe deeply. Let the accusations sting be cradled in spacious awareness. From that centered place, offer the simplified truth. I understand your frustration. It won't happen again. No defensiveness, no escalation, only the unshakable ground of your being. Tactic 2. The art of deflection. The narcissist often weaves conflict into every interaction, eager to lure into fruitless arguments and posturing. Yet you can deftly sidestep these landmines by redirecting with skillful deflection. When your spouse showers you with boastful monologues detailing their connections and accomplishments, do not be drawn into validating their house of cards, not with a practiced disinterest. As they pause expectantly, simply guide the dialogue towards more positive aims. That reminds me, I have been exploring some uplifting ideas about. Let the rivers of ego run their course until they reach the vast ocean of your patient redirection. The narcissist cannot sustain conflict when their sparring partner refuses to engage in the game. Tactic 3. Avoid direct confrontation. Confronting the narcissist behavior directly is akin to wrestling with shadows, utterly fruitless. They lack the self-awareness to receive your concerns without a defensive counterattack. Even constructive criticism feels like a wound to their fragile sense of self. If your academic colleague constantly belittles your effort, dismissing hard-earned accomplishments as mere luck, do not accuse or attempt to reason with their delusions. Instead, reorient the discussion to the heart of matter, the way their words impact you. I feel discouraged when you diminish my work. It's important that we celebrate one another's successes, voicing your personal experience without judgment. You build connection through empathy rather than further divisiveness. The narcissist may not comprehend, but you have planted a seed. Tactic 4. The importance of inner strength. To remain the steady in the narcissist storm, you must cultivate a deep wellspring of inner strength. and centeredness. Spiritual practices be the meditation, chanting, spending time in nature, any sincere pathway that reminds you of your essence beyond their ego's smallness. Only from this place of unshakable presence you can avoid being goaded into defensiveness or flinging accusations in return. Like a mountain lake, undisturbed by the winds, you mirror back to the narcissist the profound peace they have yet to discover within themselves. Tactic 5. Observe and learn from the innocent. Look to the children, the innocents who have not been indoctrinated into the games of the ego. Observe how they sidestep conflict through their simple presence, unruffled by the grandstanding or passive aggression. In their unblemished state, they are already the masters you seek to emulate. Learn from the effortless poise, their disarming directness. For it is only when we return to that primal innocence that we can dance with the narcissist's tempest, never leaving our center. By embracing these sagely tactics, composure, deflection, empathetic honesty, and steadfast centeredness, you hold the power to transcend the narcissist's realm of conflict. Patience and unwavering compassion are your allies. Like a boat navigating stormy waters, you need only adjust the trim of your sails and ride with practiced grace. The narcissist's swells need not shipwreck your hard-won equanimity. For in your wakeful presence is the power to disarm their fear-based winds and reach the unshakable calm at the core of your being. Thank you.